Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Erica. We're on ornament number 5 of our 2023 So Jolly Stitchy and Quilty Sew Along. If you're new to my channel, you can get both of the patterns, the Stitchy and Quilty patterns, in my store. I will make sure to link that below at store.confessionsofahomeschooler.com. Also make sure and go back to watch videos 1 through 4 because we've already kind of gone in detail on those. And ornament number 1 has a ton of information on fabric prep and just what I used and all of that. Also finishing videos for both the Stitchy and Quilty will be coming soon as well. All right, I think all of that out of the way, let's go ahead and dive right in and take a look at ornament number 5. So ornament number 5 are these adorable little Stitchy scissors. Aren't those so cute? And they're sitting on a tray. And I don't know if you've noticed yet, but all the trays are a little bit different. I did kind of reuse some of them here and there, but they're all spread out and maybe even a different color. So each one is a little bit unique, which is a lot of fun. I thought it'd be cute to do these little scissors, and I ended up doing 3 pairs. You can do the handles and the tray in any color that you like, if you don't like the ones I chose, but I went ahead and went with red, green, and pink for the scissors and that nice blue for the tray. This is stitched on 14 count Aqua Zweigart, and I use DMC floss for everything. The finishing instructions for these little tart tins are in the pattern. You can get all of that. You can get the tins and the little circles at Fat Quarter Shop, so that's linked below as well. And even the ribbon. I got this red, this is I think the Stitching with the Housewives red gingham ribbon. I got that from Fat Quarter Shop, but you can use any ribbon that you like. The Stitchy area finishes at around 2 by 2. This one might be a little bit more, 2.5 by 2.5, and then the tart tin is 3 by 3. And I will have a finishing video for this coming soon. All right, let's take a look at the Quilty one. And my numbers got off on the Quilty one, so if you're confused, I think this is ornament number 4 for the Quilty version, so I do apologize about that. But I wanted to show the scissors because it went with the scissor Stitchy. These little scissors are so cute. I just can't even. The red gingham had to go on the handles because it's adorable. And then you've got 2 different tones here on the bottom just to kind of make that little pointy end pop, but aren't they so cute? I just can't even with these. I also did the same ribbon and rickrack as always. Oh, I have a quilt coming soon. Should I say that? And I haven't mentioned this in any of the previous videos, but I should probably tell you now that next year I do have a quilt coming that is basically all of these, but in quilt size. So obviously I couldn't fit all this detail on these little ornaments, but I can if my blocks are a little bit bigger. So I am working on a full-size quilt right now that is going to be a little bit more detailed, and I can't wait for you guys to see it because it is absolutely adorable. So if you love quilting and sewing, stay tuned for that coming soon. But these scissors just, it was like, okay, I need a whole quilt of these. So I did make these in a bigger block, and they're so cute. I can't even. So the scissors, well, okay, I'm probably going to be saying this in all of them that they're my favorite because each time I made one, I was like, that is so cute. It's my favorite. And they're all just adorable. So bear with me. I love them all. I know I say it a lot. It is what it is. This is finished again, same way as the others, hand stitched on this cute little white palm trim. Huge pain in the butt. Totally worth it because look how cute they turned out. My fabric for this one is a mix of prints that I've had in my stash. This blue is from Pam Kitty Morning, I think Lake House Dry Goods. They don't make anymore, but I think Lighthearted by Camille Ross Kelly would be perfect for this. But there's a lot of aquas out there. Fig Tree always does really nice aquas, so definitely check that out. These browns are both from Fig Tree, and then I think this red gingham, it was either from Camille Ross Kelly, like a line from Camille Ross Kelly, or maybe it might be Lori Holt. It might also be Sweetwater. I can't remember because some of these I pulled a lot of these fabrics out of my stash. So either way, you could do them in any color that you wanted, but I thought that red gingham was just so cute. I had to do it. All right, here they are together. I think that's pretty much it for ornament number 4. Well, actually 5 and 4. And I hope you guys are enjoying our little stitch along, sew along. Make sure that you're leaving your progress in our Facebook group so we can see what you're making. You can also tag me on social media. I'm at Erica Arndt on Instagram and Confessions of a Homeschooler on Facebook, but that way I can see what you're making. I will make sure to link all of the patterns for these cute little ornaments below. I'm going to add these to my tree behind me that you can see is starting to be really, really festive and cute. I hope you're enjoying our sew along / stitch along. Let me know in the comments below which you are doing. Are you doing the Stitchy, the Quilty, or both? I kind of hope you're doing both, both because I don't think you'll regret it. It's so adorable, but I think having both on the tree is just like that much added cuteness. So hopefully you're sewing along or stitching along with one or the other or even both. Thanks for joining me for today's video, and I will see you in the next one for ornament number 6. I'm gonna go ahead and add these to my tree that is starting to become lovely. I hope you're enjoying our sew-alongs.